Hi everyone, welcome to India Food Recipes 13. Today I will show you how to prepare vegetable egg fried rice. This is a very tasty and simple recipe. Let us see the ingredients. 1 cup of chopped cabbage and 1 cup of mixed vegetables. In that vegetables I am going to use beans, carrot, corn and green peas, and 1 cup of chopped green pepper, chopped coriander leaves, and 5 to 6 green chilies, chopped garlic and ginger, and some salt, 2 egg, 4 teaspoon of olive oil, and 4 teaspoon of soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 cup of rice. Let us see how to prepare our vegetable egg fried rice. Heat the oil in the pan. Make sure oil is heat. First I am going to add our garlic and ginger. Saute it nicely. They are getting slightly brown color. In that mixture I am going to add our mixed vegetable, that is carrot, beans and peas. Saute it nicely until this carrots and beans are cooked well. For fried rice, cabbage and green pepper will give the exact taste of fried rice. So if you prepare vegetable fried rice, you should add the cabbage and green pepper. Saute it nicely. It's a very simple recipe. They are halfly cooked. Now I am going to add our cabbage pieces and green pepper and green chilies. Saute it nicely. Now I am going to add just small amount of salt. Saute it nicely until they cooked 3/4. Then we will add our pepper powder and sausages and white rice. Our vegetables are cooked halfly. Now I am going to add the broken eggs, 2 eggs. Stir it continuously. Stir it continuously like this. Now I am going to add 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, then mix it nicely. Stir this for at least 1 minute. Then we will add our soya sauce and chili garlic sauces. Now I am going to add just 4 teaspoon of soya sauce, and chili garlic sauce, that is a 2 teaspoon. Mix it nicely. Now I am going to add 1 cup of rice. Mix it everything together nicely. Our egg vegetable fried is almost ready. Now I am going to add our chopped coriander leaves. This coriander leaves will give nice flavor to our rice. Mix it everything together like this. It's enough. Now I am going to turn off the flame. Before that, mix it everything together. Yes. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Our yummy and tasty vegetable egg fried rice is ready. Try it yourself. You can serve this vegetable fried rice with egg curry, chicken curry, or mutton curry also. Send your valuable comments to www.indiafoodrecipes.in. We will meet in next video. Thank you.